What if I told you that I am a strange alien life form? Maybe a few of you already think that. But not so fast. So are you. Maybe us humans are really the highly strange. Statistically, that is correct. 99% of stuff out there in the known universe is not at all like us. Not made of solid parts, liquid parts, and on some days gas parts. The most common form of stuff exists in the fourth state of matter. Disassociated, ionized, and overly energetic. A bit like me on a bad day. So are we the oddball life forms? If so, that turns our search for alien life on its head. Maybe the fourth state of matter, plasma, might actually possess characteristics that make it the most abundant life form. So humans, stick around as we explore that mind-bending concept. Okay, let's do it. First, let's understand what plasma is. Plasma is a state of matter where gas is energized until atomic electrons are no longer associated with a particular nucleus. It's the most common state of matter in the universe, found in stars, lightning, and seen all over the Earth in the sky. But here's where it gets interesting. Why plasma might be a life form. Because plasma isn't just a passive state of matter. It exhibits behaviors that seem almost alive. For instance, plasma can react to its environment, avoiding obstacles, being defensive, and even curious, following moving objects like aircraft. It seems to have a kind of awareness. Now let's consider the quantum aspect. Plasma is made up of free electrons and ions, making it a disassociated state of matter. Science thinks that this disassociated atomic nature of plasma might be directly connected to the quantum universe, where all the rules of our reality change dramatically. This raises a question. Could plasma be tapping into a form of consciousness of the quantum-connected universe? Traditionally, we define life based on biological criteria. Cells, DNA, reproduction. But what if we're looking at life all wrong? What if humans are the strange alien life forms in the grand scheme of the universe? Could it be that intelligent plasma represents a different kind of life? This opens up a Pandora's box of implications. If plasma can indeed be seen as a life form, how might this change our understanding of existence? Could we one day communicate with plasma? Or harness its properties in ways we can't yet imagine? One thing that us non-plasma life forms need is to keep hydrated. Today's video is sponsored by Holy, a German company turning the drink industry on its head. Researching these videos for you is thirsty work. So Fiona from Holy reached out to help me. Hey, guess who we have? It's Fiona, she's back! My greatest...
Thank you so much for having me back.
Fiona is my greatest young person influencer, and she's got me actually hydrated again.
Pleased to hear it. Yeah, I'm really glad that you like the guava one. I've also got, here's one I made earlier in true Blue Peter style. I've got one here as well. And yeah, the new flavor comes with this fun little shaker of this guy scuba diving. So
oh yeah. So I've got a scuba diver as well.
Yeah.
What's in Holy, and why is it good for you? I mean, it tastes great. It's good to keep hydrated, but you know, what's the ingredients?
So we've got in the hydration ones, it's a basis of coconut water powder. That is the first ingredient on the list, means that's the most, the highest quantity of all the ingredients that we have.
Coconut.
And it also is using inulin as a sweetener, which also acts as a natural fiber. It's good for digestion, and it's much better for you than aspartame or maltodextrin. I liked your cream soda idea a lot. We did like that.
Here it is, the cream soda idea. I like cream soda. Yeah, please make one.
Cream soda isn't really a thing here in Germany, so I
Oh
think the
no.
UK team we've got a little bit more convincing to do, but further down the
Oh.
line, hopefully we'll have a cream soda flavor.
What kind of special offers can you offer the Professor Simon audience?
So we've got the starter set deluxe still on. That's a great way for people to just try out the different flavors, try
Right.
out all of our classic original ones, and we're going to put the discount code on the screen.
Does it come with a bottle of some type?
Yes, it comes with either a plastic shaker like this, or you can also choose the thermo shaker like the one that you have.
Sure.
So recommend that for first-time buyers for
Yeah.
sure.
Okay.
And then if you're already familiar with the brand and you just want to try a new flavor or you want a bigger tub, I think we've spoken so much about this one today. This is definitely one
Yeah.
of my favorites at the moment. It's
Yeah.
perfect for the summer.
Phew. Now that this life form is fully hydrated, I can use my quantum connected brain to ask this question. Is plasma a potential life form or just another state of matter? Plasma can self-organize, forming intricate patterns and structures. It responds to electromagnetic fields and can even communicate through waves. Take solar flares, for example. These bursts of plasma not only affect space weather, but also demonstrate complex interactions, much like living organisms adapting to their environment. Plasma is dynamic and reactive, constantly evolving, similar to biological systems. And here on Earth, plasma is revolutionizing industries, from clean energy solutions to advanced medical applications. So, the next time you look up at the stars or witness a lightning storm, remember, plasma is not just a state of matter, it's a vibrant, dynamic part of our universe, full of life in its own unique way. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave them in the comments below. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell for more thought-provoking ideas. The truth is out there.